Bulaga! How are you guys? I'm back! Napavlog ako bigla guys kasi I just wanted to show you yung nakita ko kanina sa store, yung haul. Yung haul ko ng extra Christmas ornaments para idagdag sa tree. Kasi nung pinatop namin yung tree, pagod na ako so hindi ko nalagay lahat ng mga ornaments and tinatamad na akong kunin siya sa garahe kasi nasa taas yun. So since hindi naman to masyadong mahal, so bumili na lang ako ng pandagdag. So we have more Christmas balls over there and then yung bells. And it's not that expensive. Like I said, they're all like 125 pesos each. This one is really pretty guys. So I don't know kung saan ko yan nilalagay pero nagandahan lang ako. And then guys, ito, clip siya. So you could put it sa sa branches ng tree. And then this one too. On this one you get 4 for like $2. So ayan. So ayan yung tree guys, ilalagay ko siya. Pero teka lang, ikot tayo. And then I wanted to show you one more thing. Pakita ko sa'yo, may nakita akong ugly sweater. I'm not sure kung ginagawa niya sa Philippines. Yung ugly sweater, yung papangitan kayo ng sweater for Christmas. And nakakita ako ng ugly sweater for Austin. Ito. Teka lang, sorry guys, ang gulo. Ito siya oh. Extra large for Austin. Ang cute. Susuotin daw niya. Ayan guys oh. Extra large. Ugly sweater for Austin. Game naman si Austin suotin yan guys. Ang laki-laki oh. So susuotin niya yan for Christmas. Para sa ugly sweater. Meron nga siya suit na ugly. Binili rin namin. Nakakatuwa. Like I said, dito meron sila yung papangitan ng Christmas sweater. So kung sino yung mananalo. Ay, nga pala guys. The real reason na na nag-vlog ako kasi gusto ko sanang mag-greet kasi hindi ako minsan nakaka-greet kasi nawawala ako sa like I keep on forgetting or wala yung list ko. So anyways, baka ma-bored kayo. I just wanted to greet yung mga friends ko sa dito sa YouTube. Like I said, I do this because I really enjoy yung interaction ko sa inyo. It's like I don't really monetize because I don't vlog that much. So I just really do this, like I said, to engage with all of you and get to know you. And hopefully, someday, baka meron akong ma-meet sa inyo, sa Philippines. But anyways, guys, I just want to say happy birthday sa son ni Anna Friles. His name is Kinoy and his birthday is on the 29th of November. And there's baby girl. And then we have Letlet Ortiz. Hey girl, birthday niya is December 17. And then we have Marilu Abangan, Leah Lynn, Dodi Ballesteros. And then we have, there's baby girl. And then we have me first before you, Shan Liam Luis, May Flores, Nina Samonte. Party kayo. We have Mirna Yao, Phoenix, April Tagalo, Nancy Quino, Ping Channel, Volvolin, Annalyn, Marlon Suwa, Chari, Zion TV, and Zenny, Lynn Desert Cat Mom, Anna Fajardo, hey girl. And then we have Let Cans, Leafers Vlog, Mina Gaupo, Gartags, Jacqueline, Mariter, Joyce Chong, Razel Mendoza, Marissa, Marites Satanasio, Pearly Capino, hello, Mary Ann Camposano, Kensha, The Ultimate, baby girl, ikaw nang mag-finish bumate. And then we have E. Minion, Dina Bumagat, and Josephine Balisi. Oh, and then Mrs. Fontanilla. And there's baby girl again, guys. Baby girl, say hi to everyone. Oh, narinig niya ng mommy ni Quincy. Come here. Come here. Say hello. Say hello to everyone. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to say hello sa lahat ng na nabati ko. I hope all of you are doing well. And again, thank you very much for watching our vlogs, ha. And then, like I said, maybe someday, like magkatagpo-tagpo tayo sa Philippines, and then we could go eat and get to know each other more. Ayan, inaway na ni baby girl mommy ni Quincy. So anyways, guys, that's it. It's a very short vlog lang. I just wanted to show you yung haul ko. Ang galing, ano. Tawag dito, it's not that expensive, pero they're so pretty. And ito, I just wanted to show you yung ugly sweater ni Austin. Next time, papasuot ko yan kay Austin para makita nyo anong itsura. So like again, just let me know sa comment section kung uso na ba dyan yung papangitan ng Christmas sweater. Kung hindi pa, pauso ninyo. I was thinking nga before, alam mo like yung black na sweater, iguglugan mo lang lahat ng Christmas ornaments. That would be so funny. And then, anyways, I just wanted to say hello lang. And there's baby girl. Nag-feeling siya dyan sa fireplace. And thank you again, guys, for watching. I appreciate all of you and I appreciate ko lahat ng comment niyo. And pag napunta ako sa resort ni Roel, tawag dito, magta-try ako maka-shoutout ako doon sa inyong lahat. We're going there in February to celebrate yung birthday ni Austin. So I'm really excited. Bumili na nga ako dito ng mga gagamitin for his birthday, like yung mga hard paper plates and everything, at saka mga covers, para naman hindi nakakaabala sa kanila. And there's baby girl. So anyways, thank you very much. And thank you again for watching yung mga recent vlogs, ha? Tsaka yung mga comments. I appreciate it. God bless all of you. And I hope palagi kayong masaya, healthy, and okay yung buhay. Okay, bye guys! Ay nako guys, sabi niya, before ko daw i-end yung vlog, kailangan makita ninyo yung sweater niya. Suotin mo yan, Austin. Isn't that cute? So, kayo guys, kaya niya to suotin. Ano to papangitan ng sweater. So, let's see if Austin's gonna win. Yung isa mo maganda yun, ano? Yung isang sweater ni Austin, may lalagyan ng beer sa gitna. So, it's like a beer holder sweater. Iganon mo Austin yung manga so they could see. Yay! Susutin daw niya, guys. Guys, nakakatawa si Austin, ano? Game na game siya. So, nagagandahan siya sa sweater. O nga pala, again, I just want to say happy birthday kay Kinoy. I wish you all the best. May all your birthday wishes come true. Pati rin si Letlet Ortiz. May all your birthday wishes come true. And I really appreciate na you're always there. And ayan na si Quincy. Quincy, oh, do you like your daddy's sweater? Alam niyo guys, may sweater din yan si Quincy for Christmas. Gusto niyo bang makita? Next time ipo-vlog ko siya, suot nila yung mga Christmas sweater nila. Ayan. Ayan, so, anyways guys, thank you again, ha. Nagpahabol lang tong si Austin kasi gusto niyang ipakita sa inyo na yung sweater niya nilalagay niya sa body niya. Ay naku, Austin, ginawa mong, hala, ayan, wala na, ginawa mong, yung bull si Quincy sa Spain. Ayan. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Hala, Austin, he's gonna attack your sweater. Nakikita ko na-attract si Quincy guys dyan sa green part, yung makintab. Yes, magbabay ka na sa kanila. Bye guys! Thank you again for watching! Behind the scene guys. Ayan. Austin, Quincy, show all your friends your belly. Shout out guys! Happy birthday to all the birthday celebrants! Bye!